Hey guys, showing you this zip string. That is a Wonderment awaits with a Shark Tank. So it's a featured string rope launcher with a loop Fidget toy. So it's a defining the gravity to boost your imagination. A really fun thing that you have not seen before. So let's see this. It comes with this charging cable, different strings, the zip string thing itself, and the manual how you can use it. So unlimited tricks that you can do, and the three string loops, and a compact design with a USB-C rechargeable thing, as you can see it here. So what I got is a blue color one, this small rotary thing inside, and the charging cable. So once you do the charging, then it's full charge, have a full fun, and then describes in the manual how you can use. So, and the three different sizes strings are provided here. This is the longest one, I think, or not the middle one. So you have to put the string inside this rotary carefully, and then once this is put, you have to little bit adjust it, and then it will start just rotating. So you can see like it's a fun, and then it's a unlimited possibility thing. So it's fully charged now with the green color, and then you can see like the gravity. You can just feel that string is in the air. So have fun and then enjoy this zip string thing. You can see like how smoothly it's running. Of course it needs a little bit practice with your hands, with your air and the things, but it's really fun, like just rotating and having fun with this zip string thing. And the three different sizes, so the longest one, small one, and the middle one, so you can just enjoy the way you want it. But playing with it is a real fun. Like I like how this smoothing like a snake thing, that and then you can of course adjust and see how this thing will work. You can also just do it on top, but just for the camera purpose I'm just doing a lower size. So on the top you can see like how smoothly it's running. This is the smallest string that comes with it, and you can have the fun and then see like the string moves. So it's very nice Fidget, and very nice toy for the kids.